Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Hello everyone. Let me see about the project applying network coding to peer-to-peer file sharing. Network coding is promoting enhancement of routing to improve network throughput and provide high reliability. It allows a node to generate output message by encoding it received messages. Peer-to-peer network area perfect place to apply network coding due to two reasons. The topology of a peer-to-peer network is constructed arbitrarily, thus it is easy to tailor the topology to facilitate network coding. The network in a peer-to-peer network are end hosts which can perform more complex operations such as decoding and encoding than simple storing and forwarding message. In this paper we propose a scheme to apply network coding to peer-to-peer file sharing, which employs a peer-to-peer network to distribute file resided in web service or a file server. The scheme exploits a special type of network topology called combinational network. It was proved in the combination network can achieve unbounded network coding gain measured by the ratio of network throughput with network coding to that without network coding. Our scheme encodes a file into multiple messages and divide peer into multiple group with each group responsible for relaying one of the messages. The encoding scheme is designed to satisfy the property that any subset of the message can be used to decode the original file as long as the size of the subset is sufficiently large. To meet this requirement, we first define a deterministic linear network coding scheme which satisfies the desired property. Then we connect peers in the same group to flood the corresponding message and connect peers in different groups to distribute message for decoding. Moreover, the scheme can be readily extended to support link heterogeneity and topology awareness to further improve system performance in terms of throughput, reliability and link stress. Data flow diagram for applying network coding to peer-to-peer file sharing. First, a request from a peer is given, then grouping the peer using peer joining algorithm. Then a user upload a file, the file is splitted and encoded in the split as encoded here. Now the file is splitted and transferred to many peers. The peers, then the topology is adjusted according to topology adjustment. Then group members are joined lived according to the topology. Then we select optimized path to download a file. Then when users request for a file, the file is downloaded from many groups. When each group is responsible for reliable one message. When one group is absent, then another group will relay the message. Then after the completion of all files, splitted files, the splitted files are joined together and decoded the original file. Now I will show the project demo for applying network coding to peer-to-peer file sharing. Just click here to proceed. Then create some nodes, like 7. These are the group members. This is source node. Then categorize it. These are several categories. Then proceed, view groups. We already stored some of the IPs and the group numbers in the data. These IPs belong to this group 1, and for each group different IPs belongs. Now counter list. Here these are group numbers and these are the IP count. Like this group have 5 members, 3 members. Now bandwidth checking. We already assigned a bandwidth for each IP address. This IP address has 15 KB bandwidth. Just now click proceed. Now start the server and click client Java. Now just give a name, then IP address. Now here bandwidth. These details are stored in that IP address detail and bandwidth. Now generate the request. The request is generated and sent to the server. Now server get the updates from the client, then accept the request and set a group for it. Now this is group and the group size. Now store the IP address to the belonging group number 4. Now peer is assigned to group number 4. Then click proceed. Then click get reply. Then run client 1. Sample. This file requesting to download. Just click Y. Generate a request. Then send request. Here the request is sent from the client side. Then get updates in the server by the client. Now click the topology. Choose a neighbor node. These are nodes. Choose the peer here. A group is assigned according to the Digit algorithm. Then groups. These are the groups. Now we have to choose a file to transfer. Click file details, then load a file. Now load a file, comber cloud client.jar. You can receive a group. Then click find. Combination network path using this some algorithm. Then number of combination link here generated. Galleon value. Check the Galleon value. Then outgoing edges are here. Now split the file. The files are splitted and stored in this location. Then in several groups. Now send a file. Get the files here. Give the location to store files. Store it. Now leave. Get path. Get transfer. The files here is these are transfer file. Each file is splitted and encoded here. You have to decrypt it just to give the location. Then get unique files. Now we see the unique files here.